Hi there, and welcome to Wealth Wisdom Works. My name is Alan, and I'm so glad that you're here. I've got a wealth of experience and expertise in the world of personal finance, and I'm eager to share that with you. I was in the banking industry for over 20 years, and I've been involved with the stock market for over 30 years. In that time, I've seen both the highs and the lows of financial planning, and I've learned a lot. At one point in my life, I lost everything I had worked for, but I rebuilt and now I'm financially secure once again. You see, I was a chartered banker, which means I've got the knowledge and the qualifications and the expertise to help you navigate the financial landscape. But when I lost it all, I had to start again at the bottom, and I became an expert in budgeting because basically I had to. I took a series of low-paying physical jobs and eventually worked my way up the ladder in a different industry. This gave me a unique perspective on life from both sides of the financial coin, and it brought me into contact with a wide variety of people from all sorts of financial backgrounds. I've seen how some people struggle and have no idea how to improve their lot. And that's why I'm here, to help people in the UK take control of their finances, understand the basics and grow their wealth. There must be many people in the UK just like me in their 40s and 50s who can see a retirement approaching and they want to sort their finances for a secure financial future. And that's where I come in. On this channel we're going to be covering all sorts of topics, from the basics of budgeting to paying off debts, savings and investment, maximising your income, side hustles, passive income and retirement planning, and everything else in between. I've covered all of this and more in my book, The Wealth Wisdom Blueprint, which is available on Amazon. And as I speak, it's currently number 3 on Amazon's bestseller list for finance. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to go and check it out. So if you're looking to take control of your finances, understand the basics and grow your wealth, then this is a channel for you. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all my latest videos, and let me know down in the comments which topics you want me to cover in future videos. One thing that I do want to emphasise is that I'm not a financial advisor, despite being a former chartered banker and having qualifications in all sorts of things from accountancy, investment, law, etc. I'm not a qualified financial advisor, so this video and any information within it doesn't constitute specific financial advice. The videos are for entertainment purposes only. Always consult a financial advisor for specific advice relating to your individual circumstances. With that being said, I'm so excited to be on this journey with you, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and grow your wealth? Then let's get started. See you in the next video.